Hey, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today, I'm going to be showing one of our high-performance resistive touchscreen HMIs, the cMT3092Xv2. Let's take a look. Okay, this is what it'll look like when you first open the box. You can remove the foam here, and then there is a warranty and an installation guide. And you'll see the cMT3092Xv2 wrapped in anti-static. Also includes an extra protective screen cover inside. Put that aside for now. And it comes with some accessories as well. So the accessories includes mounting brackets and screws. And also it comes with a USB stick clamp and a tying strap. So now we can remove the HMI from the anti-static plastic. Here is the cMT3092Xv2. It is a 9.7-inch 1024 by 768 resolution. It is a resistive touchscreen. It has an operating temperature of 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let's take a look at the back of the HMI. Let's first take a look at the 4 holes here. These are 4 Visa 75 by 75 millimeter screw holes. There is also a built-in mono speaker. Now let's take a look at the bottom of the HMI. So right here is a detachable power connector. This is for 24 volt DC power supply. And you have 2 DE9 serial COM ports. These are used for various serial protocols. Next you have 2 RJ45 Ethernet LAN ports, which are used for uploading, downloading, going online with your HMI, and are also used for various Ethernet protocols. And finally, you have 1 USB 2.0 host port, which is used for uploading and downloading your project, as well as it's used for extended memory or backing up your files. Now I want to power on the HMI, so I have a power supply going into the HMI. I also have an Ethernet cable going into LAN 2 on the HMI because later on I'm going to download a project from EBPro onto the HMI. So I'm going to turn on my power supply. And the first thing you'll see is the cMT series logo, and then it will load the demo project onto the HMI. Okay, let's take a look at the demo project on the HMI. So in the bottom right corner is the actual cMT device, and then in the larger screen is VNC viewer. I enabled VNC on the HMI. So let's take a look at some of the features in the demo project, and then we'll go through some of the system settings on the HMI. So first, I'm going to use my mouse in VNC viewer. Let's go to switches and lamps. And here you can turn bits on and off. You can also toggle on and off as well. You can use a multi-state switch to jog up and down to change the state of a word lamp. Let's go home. Trend display. You can see a simulated trend display. Go back home. Let's go to alarm. And here you can see some simulated alarms. So now let's look at the system settings on the HMI. So to do that, go to the top left corner. You can click this circular object here, or you can use the resistive touchscreen on the HMI. So just click that circular object on the top left corner, open the system settings. Now to view all of your system settings, you need to enter an admin password. So to do that, click the lock icon here. And the default password is 6 ones. So with your keypad, enter 111. 111, drop down the keypad, hit OK, and now you have access to all of your system settings. I'm going to go back to my mouse and VNC viewer. So information, you can see your HMI name, you can see your IP address here. Code Assist, you'll need a separate license for. General tab, you can adjust the brightness on your HMI. You can also turn your sound on and off. You can show mouse cursor or show start button. You can turn those off. IP network. You can change your IP address here. Time and date. HMI name. You can change your HMI name here. Clear history. Project management. System password. You can change it from 6 ones to something you're choosing. Enhanced security. VNC setting. You can enable VNC. Easy access 2.0. You'll need a separate license for. Language. Input method. Printer, OS upgrade, reset options. You can reset your HMI to default settings. So those are all the system settings in your HMI. So now I want to download a project from EBPro onto the HMI. So let's go into EBPro. So here in EBPro, I first want to show you all the driver protocols that you can choose in your EBPro project. So to do that, go to the Home tab, System Parameters, New Device/Server. And here you can choose over 400 serial or Ethernet protocols. You can also just click this and then you can drop down the menu here and you can choose your protocols here. You would just select one and then you can add it to your project. Now I'm going to download this project to the HMI. So go to Project, Download, make sure you have the correct IP address here, select Runtime if you're downloading for the first time, click Download. It'll take some time for the project to download to the HMI. We'll say Stop Project, download CXOB, extracting, say Update Project Now on the HMI. It'll reboot the HMI. It'll say Wait for Project Ready on the physical HMI. It'll say Finished, and then it will load the project onto the HMI. Well, that's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our HMI CMT line, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Also, be sure to watch the EBPro video training series located under the Support tab in the Video Center on the Maple Systems website. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.